Hi everyone, on today's episode, I'm going to show you how fiber optic cables transmit data. I'm Mike and this is the Ultimate Tech Hub. So guys, today we're going to answer the question, how do fiber optic cables transmit data? But before I can answer that question, let's talk about what fiber optic cables are made of. A fiber optic cable is made from a glass or plastic core that carries light surrounded by glass cladding that reflects escaping light back into the core, resulting in the light being guided along the fiber. The two most common types of fiber cabling are single mode and multi-mode. Of these two types of fiber optic cables, multi-mode fiber is more commonly used. So how do fiber optic cables transmit data? Fiber optic cables transmit data via fast traveling pulses of light. And most fiber optic cables are made of dozens or hundreds of optical fibers. And these optical fibers are less than 1/10 of the thickness of a human hair. And another layer of glass called the cladding is wrapped around the central fiber and causes light to be repeatedly bounced off the walls of the cable rather than leak out the edges. This allows the signal to go farther without attenuation. So what does attenuation mean in fiber optics? Attenuation is the rate at which the signal light decreases in intensity. And glass fiber has a low attenuation, which is used in long-distance fiber optic cables. And plastic fiber has a higher attenuation. And fiber cables made of plastic fiber are used for shorter distances. So how do these pulses of light transmit data? Well, everything to do with computers is transmitted through binary code, zeros and ones. And the light pulse that's transmitted down the fiber optic cable uses a Morse code to represent the binary system of zeros and ones. So for example, light on is for 1 and light off is for 0. These pulses are transmitted at extremely high speeds. And once that signal gets to your fiber optic modem, the modem will convert the optical signal into a digital signal. And this digital signal is sent to your computer or devices. These are the basic fundamentals of fiber optic cabling, what they're made of and how they transmit data. And we know there's a lot more to learn about fiber optics. So be sure to look for future videos about fiber optics from the Ultimate Tech Hub. And once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like these videos, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love it, hit subscribe to keep this channel alive. Thanks again for watching.